Welcome to my channel. I specialize in turning Forex complexities into step-by-step strategies. If you are looking for a mentor in order to accelerate your progress in the Forex market, then click the link in the description section below. That being said, we are here in order to understand what liquidity sweep is. Let's do this. There are 5 points that I'm going to go through in this video. Point number 1, high-low day box. Point number 2, previous day swing. Point number 3, pivot point super trend. Point number 4, liquidity sweep. And point number 5 is entry and take profit. So make sure you watch to the very end in order to understand all these things. So first of all, what do we have on the chart? We have an upwards trend. Very simple. The price is going to the upside. Even if you don't know anything about Forex, you must understand that, listen, wherever you're seeing, the bars are going to the upside. Right below the price, we have an indicator called pivot point super trend. In order to get that indicator, you just go into the section, you click, and you type pivot point super trend. Okay, as long as the line is underneath the price, this means that the price is going upwards. This means that the buyers are stronger than the sellers. So we're expecting the price to continue going upwards. Now, what we have here is another indicator called the high-low day box. This indicator actually separates each day, okay, and it defines the high and the low of each day. So this is today, that's yesterday, the day before yesterday, and so on and so forth. So that is it right there. All you need to do in order to get this indicator is go to this section and type high space low space day box as one word. Then you will see this indicator, customize it, and make it look presentable for your charts. Let's proceed. So what do we have here? We have 3 separate swing points. These are swing lows. These swing lows are in the previous day in comparison to where we are on the day. So if we are right here, then this is the swing point in the previous day. If we are on this day trading and waiting for a trade, then we'll look for a swing point in the previous day, which is here. If we are trading on this day, then we're looking for a trade, then we're looking for a swing point on this day. It's all relative depending on where you are in the Forex market. So now, this is our liquidity sweeps. Now, on your charts, you're seeing 3 red lines. These 3 red lines are drawn from the swing points, from the swing lows. As we're going in the upwards direction, all these points are actually swing lows. Price goes up, down, up, down, up, down. So these are swing lows. They're the pullbacks in the Forex market. The price is not going to continuously go upwards, in a straight line. It's going to go up, then pull back, up, pull back, up, pull back, up, pull back, and so on and so forth. So these swing points are the levels of liquidity. Each swing point has liquidity. So liquidity is where traders all over the world are placing their stop losses. So this section right here is where people are going to be placing their stop losses. So because the major banks cannot just continue moving price in the upward direction without a pullback, whenever the price comes back for a pullback, it's going to grab the stop losses of traders before going to the upside. That's quite an important point. If you trade supply and demand, which works hand in hand with liquidity sweep, then you need to understand that before price makes a move to the upside, a lot of the times it's going to grab the stop losses which are resting below swing points. So that's liquidity sweep, liquidity sweep, liquidity sweep. Previous day swing, previous day swing, previous day swing, relative to where we are in the price action. Now, these 3 arrows are simply showing you the areas where the price came back for a pullback. This pullback grabbed liquidity from this section over here, and then it went to the upside impulsively. Pullback, impulsive move, pullback, impulsive move. Now, it looks simplistic, but the price doesn't do the same thing on a day-to-day basis. It was quite a fortunate thing that on these 3 days, it did just that, okay? But you need to understand this concept. You need to understand liquidity sweep, pivot point super trend, previous day swing, high-low day box. So now an entry. So how do you enter the market? You can enter the market as soon as you get an engulfing candle to the upside. We have one right here. Now this one is too huge. It has already grabbed all the liquidity. So in order for us to enter this candle, we would have had to enter on a smaller time frame, like 15 minutes or even 5 minutes. And then here we had an engulfing right here, or even this one, which happened during the London session open around 7 a.m. London time. So now take profit. Your first take profit is going to be the previous day high. So right here, the take profit is this high of this day. If you were in an area where the price is very close to the previous day high, then aim for 3%. And around this section, the first take profit is going to be the previous day high over here, and then you just hold it in order to maximize your profit. Risk to reward is absolutely key, because it just means that you can be an average trader and still be a profitable trader. As long as you are winning at least 5 out of your 10 trades and each trade is doing 3 to 4%, you are good to go, and you can be increasing your capital on a weekly basis. So that was a quick summary for you to understand the concepts of liquidity sweep. In order for you to trade the liquidity sweep or smart money, you need to identify direction. You need to know what is price action. You need to know where are the swing points. You need to know where is the liquidity in the Forex market. You need to understand the motivation behind why the price moves the way it moves. And all these things take time. Once again, if you're looking for a mentor that is going to accelerate your progress and save you time, then click the link in the description section below. I'm Toxibility. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.